Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your online banking account on Union Bank of America. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure, and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories, and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for unionbank.com. Now you will land onto an interface like this. So in order to log into your online banking account on Union Bank, you will have to go to the right side and go to this box on your site. Now before starting the login process, there are a few things you need to keep in your mind. You can't log into your online banking account on Union Bank if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go and tap on to enroll now in order to start your registration process. And once you're done enrolling for your online banking on Union Bank, you will be provided with a user ID and a set of password that you can log into your account with. So go to user ID and enter the user ID associated to your online banking account on Union Bank. Then you'll be provided with another box where you have to enter your password that you have set while registering for this online banking account on Union Bank. And similarly, if you have forgotten your user ID or password, then you can go and tap on to forget user ID or password in order to reset your user ID or password. And once you are done entering the details, go and tap on to sign in button and you will be successfully logged into your online banking account on Union Bank. And now you can have access to your financial transactions, account details, histories, payments and fund transfers from anywhere and anytime online. So this will wait for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.